Tender lemon squares with crunchy walnut and sweet and soft meringue topping. Easy to make and with simple ingredients only. Welcome to Sandra's Bakehouse. I share home bake recipes and behind the scenes of a professional pastry kitchen. Let's get baking! Starting with shortbread base, we need to separate egg yolks from egg whites. Room temperature eggs. If yours are cold, place them in nicely warm water for 5 to 10 minutes. Very carefully not to get any yolk in the whites or any other fat. For the dough, we need 4 yolks, and 4 whites we'll use later. Add sugar, vanilla, and cream them. And add soft butter. It's important to have it room temperature, otherwise it won't combine well with the eggs. Microwave your butter slightly if your butter is too firm. You could use a mixer or just rely on your arms. We only need to combine them together like this. Now add regular flour and salt. If you love lemony desserts as much as I do, I'm gonna leave my personal lemon recipe collection in the description. You'll find lemon meringue cake, lemon cupcakes, and more. And please don't forget to like this video if you like it. Mix with the rest of your flour on the table, but just enough to combine, don't overwork the dough. This dessert is kind of a merge between lemon squares and lemon cookies. Very delicious. The dough has to be soft and pliable, not stick to your hands. For baking, you can either go for a simple baking sheet or a large spring form, or in my case, I want to add this bottomless pan for sharper edges. Spread your dough evenly and place in the fridge while you're working on the filling. It won't take long at all. Zest 2 lemons in a medium-sized bowl. Now cut all the white part off because it's bitter. Get rid of the seeds if there are any. And chop your lemons. We go for whole lemons, not just juice, because we need a bit thicker consistency here. Blend into smooth and mix with the zest. Also adding a little cornstarch and a little sugar. Set aside. First, fork your chilled dough. Pour lemon filling over. Sprinkle 1/3 of your chopped walnuts. I did not roast them prior. Getting back to those leftover egg whites, start beating them on medium speed using any kind of mixer. When you see beer foam, start adding sugar just a bit at a time and a pinch of salt. Beat until quite firm peaks. And then spread meringue over it, starting with small portions all over and then trying to connect them together and cover the whole surface. Sprinkle remaining walnuts and pop into the oven for 30 minutes at 175 Celsius or 345 Fahrenheit. If you use the pan around it, remove when still warm, and you can slice them when they're still warm too. I like serving them when they're slightly warm, though this lemon dessert tastes excellent at any temperature. Store it in the fridge because of the meringue up to 4 days. I advise letting it come to room temperature before serving after you refrigerated it. Meringue obviously loses its crunch with time, but it still does what it's supposed to. Be delicious. I just love a good meringue. Enjoy and cheers!